named Masking Foundation, which started in Kolkata. Let's start with the video. But before starting, I request you all to watch the video till the end. First thing to be said about this foundation is the benefits. The foundation provides you benefits like income opportunity, pension plan, loan support, health and accidental insurance, social support, utility services, and many more. Under utility services, you get facilities like mobile and DTH recharge, domestic money transfer, flight ticket booking, and train ticket booking, and many more. Next is the business plan of the foundation. With a donation of Rs 500, you can join the foundation and earn up to 400 crores. When you start with Rs 500, you have to sponsor 3 people. You get Rs 1200. With this amount, you upgrade to level 2 and give 96 rupees donation, so your profit is Rs 604. As reward, you get a pen. In level 2, you will get Rs 500 from 9 people, totaling to Rs 4500. Then you have to upgrade to level 3 with Rs 2000 and 360 rupees donation. In this level, you get profit of Rs 2140. As a reward, you get a diary. Similarly, till 7th level, you have to keep on upgrading and earn your profits. In the 7th level, you get 100 crore rupees from 2187 people. You get a beautiful house as a reward, plus insurance of pension plan up to 70 years. Next comes the auto pool system. When you upgrade to 4th level, you also enter into auto pool 1, which is 100% non-working. Here you earn 100 crore rupees. When you reach 3rd level in auto pool 1, you enter auto pool 2 and earn 200 crore. From the entire business plan of Masking Foundation, you have the opportunity to get 400 crores. Next is club membership. When you have a team of 100 people, till then you have to direct minimum 10 people and you will get 1.4% of cash fund, 0.6% travel fund, total of 2% fund, and you will achieve bronze club. Similarly, when you have a team of 500 people, you have to sponsor 50 people. Till then, you get 3.5% of cash fund, 1.5% travel fund, total of 5% fund, and you achieve silver club. In diamond club, you have a team up to 5,000 people. You have to sponsor 500 people. Till then, you get 8.4% cash fund, 3.6% travel fund, and 12% fund in total. You can earn up to 25% from club membership. The royalty reward of the foundation is based on the number of directs. If you get into the auto pool of the foundation by achieving your 4th level, you can earn lifetime. I say lifetime because in MLM, lifetime word is just an illusion, but Masking Foundation gives you lifetime earning. It is proved by the legal documents of the company. The company has all the legal documents, which is so great in number that one can say with 200% surety that this foundation is very much legal and trusted. The office location is in Kolkata and its website is www.maskingfoundation.com. You can contact the number given in the description for details. We have videos in Hindi as well as Bengali. Do check the description box for the link of this video. If you like our video, press the like button for our motivation. Thank you.